Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So today's video is a collaboration and it is hosted by Joy from Organized with Joy, and it is in collaboration with some other wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So be sure to check out Joy's channel as well as the playlist of all the other participants in this collaboration. Now without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so my first item for this declutter challenge here is this item here. This is a, what is this? This is a drawer store organizer for utensils. You see, I was able to, well, I wasn't able to do anything with this, I'm gonna be honest with you. At first, when I first got this, it seemed like a good idea. I purchased this from Amazon and I wanted to have all my utensils organized, of course, but it didn't work like I thought it was going to work. So I ended up getting something else in place of it, a wood organizer. This one here, they have one that's expandable, and really I needed that one. This one, that's what it is. It's so slim and it works better probably in some other drawers, but it just didn't work so well with my drawer. So I'm going to be giving this away. If not giving it away, I will be selling it on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so my second item is this mail carrier here. I had it attached to my wall in the kitchen, and I have another organizer that is wooden also. You see a theme here, people? Wood, wood, and more wood. Anyway, I ended up taking this off the wall because we've had it since we've been in this house, and I just didn't like the look of it anymore. That's more so what it was. It wasn't that it wasn't serving its purpose. I just wanted to get something different, and so that's what I did. I got something different. So this will be going to the Salvation Army. And my next item here, it's a little heavy here. If you're looking at it, don't it look weird? Anyway, this is some queen size sheets here. So I ended up getting another set of white sheets you saw in one of my videos, which I will probably link somewhere above here, of a video that I show of me getting these new sheets. I only have one set of sheets because that's all I need. One set of sheets, and I trade them out and get a new set each year. And so last year was for 2021 these sheets here. For 2022 is the new pair of sheets. So I will be giving these to Salvation Army. So my next item here is a t-shirt. My husband is doing so well at decluttering things. He's just doing good, people. This top right here, it says, if you didn't read it real quick, it says, I love my, no, I'm reading that wrong. I love, if I could just read, I do have an education, right? But let me read this right. I love it when my wife lets me go skiing. Now that's beautiful. That's just wonderful. The only thing is, nobody in this house skis. So, this ain't gonna work. So my husband, after people saying things about you love it when your wife lets you go skiing and he knows that nobody in the house skis, he has decided to let this top go. Because it's time to let it go, people. It's just time to let it go. Bon voyage. I may have said that wrong, and I'm sure there's going to be somebody that's going to be like, girl, you didn't even say that right. Anyway, this right here, what is this? Milk crate. While I love this and it served this purpose, this was downstairs in the basement where my son kept some stuffed animals. Yeah, he's at that age where he still can't let go of his stuffed animals. But anyway, they were inside of this milk crate. And when I went down there to organize some things earlier this month, actually, he decided to let this crate go. So that's what we're gonna do. Let it go too. Well, people, I am so happy you joined me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the stuff that I decluttered for the month of April. Be sure to check out Joy's channel, as well as the playlist of all the other participants in today's collab. And I'll see you guys in the next one.